Now we're going to talk about special products, uses, models, and algebraic methods to find the product of two binomials, product of the sum and difference of two terms, square of a binomial, cube of a binomial, and the product of a binomial and a trinomial, and the square of a trinomial. There are binomials or trinomials that when you multiply the products form a pattern. Such are called the special products. Using the laws of exponents, you will be able to find the product of a square of a binomial, the sum and difference of binomials, the cube of a binomial, and a square of a trinomial. So the first thing we're going to talk about is the FOIL method. The FOIL method is it's used to find the product of two binomials. So it is used to find the product of two binomials. So the two binomials will be represented by a plus b and c plus d. FOIL is from an abbreviation or an acronym for first, outer, inner, and last. So first is dito, to know the first, ito yung mga first sa dalawang parentheses. So ito ang nauna dito, ito ang nauna dito. So dito in here it's A, dito it's C. So these are called the first. The outer is yung nasa labas, yung nasa gilid. Yung nasa gilid, ito sila ang nasa gilid. So ito yung outer. Kung ito ang outer, ibig sabihin yung B at saka C, yun ang first, inner rather. Tapos, kung ang A at saka C ang first, B and D therefore are the last. Yung last or nasa huli sa bawat parentheses. So, that's for the first, outer, inner, and last. So, what is the purpose? Why did you need to consider or to identify the first, outer, inner, last terms? So first is to get the product of a plus b and c plus d, you're going to multiply the first. Yung first are a at saka c. So ac plus outer, so FOIL, outer, first, outer. Ang outer are a and d plus inner, which are b at saka c, plus last two, which are b at saka d. So all you have to do to be reminded is first, outer, inner, last, kaya tinawag na FOIL. So this is only used if it is a product of two binomials. So binomials, yung dalawang term lang, 1, 2, 1, 2. So for example, x minus 4 times x plus 2. To multiply this one, you're going to multiply to identify first yung first, outer, inner, last terms. So in here, yung first are x at saka c, x. Ito sila sa first. So x times x plus outer, yung nasa gilid, x at saka 2. These are the outer, x at saka 2. Plus inner, it's negative 4 at saka x. So you're going to consider, dapat consider mo yung minus dito. It will become the sign of 4. So, it will become negative 4 at saka x. Dito, you did not consider kasi positive siya, so plus siya. So, it's just the same. So, positive 2. Plus, i-consider mo pa rin yun siya. But, it's still positive 2. So, parang hindi mo na consider. But, if it is minus, kailangan mo talagang gawing negative. Inner, this is inner, tapos ito yung last. So, negative 4 at saka si positive 2. So, negative 4 at saka si positive 2. Next, what you're going to do is multiply x times x squared, plus x times 2, that's 2x, plus negative 4 times x, negative 4x, plus negative 4 times 8, it's negative 8. Combine like terms, so x squared lang, at saka positive 8. Itong magkatulad na terms, usually ito yan sila dalawa, yung nasa gitna. 2x plus negative 4x kasi like terms sila or similar terms kasi magkapareho yung literal coefficient. Dito x squared, so hindi mo yan pwede i-plus. So x squared at saka si 2x. So dalawang x, dagdagan mo ng negative 4x. So it would become negative 2x. 2 plus negative 4 is negative 2x. So the answer is x squared minus 2x plus 8. So kapag i-times mo si x minus 4 at saka x plus 2, the answer is x squared minus 2,8 plus negative 8. So example number 2, 2x minus y, 4x plus 1y. So first are si 2x at saka si 4x. So we're not going to put like this. For our second example, inner or outer is si 2x at saka si 1y. Inner is si negative y at saka si 4x. Last are negative y at saka si positive 1y. Negative y at saka si positive 1y. Multiply 2x at saka si 4x, naging 8x squared. Very good. 2x at saka si y. 2x times 1y, it's 2x. Y. 2 times 1 is 2, copy xy. Plus negative y times 4x. Negative times positive, magiging negative. Mauna si 4, mauna si x kasi sa alphabet nauna si x, xy. Plus negative y times positive 1y, it's negative y squared. So, combine like terms, walang x squared, siya nag-iisa lang siya na x squared. Merong xy, merong xy, so 2 plus negative 4, it's negative 2xy. Plus negative y squared, kasi nag-iisa lang yan siya, so, or simply minus y squared. So, plus negative y squared is the same as minus y squared. So that's how you're going to use FOIL method. Next is the square of a binomial. Square of a binomial is a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. If it is minus, a minus b squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So the difference is here plus dito sa baba it's minus. For example, x minus 4 at saka x minus 4. So x minus 4 times x minus 4 is the same as x minus 4 squared. So ang x minus 4 i-times mo sa sarili niya. So this is to identify, to use this one, you're going to identify kung anong formula or anong pattern ang gagamitin. Is this one or this one? So because we know that this minus siya, so therefore itong gagamitin natin yung second. So a minus b squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So we're going to use the second pattern. Based in here, si a, si x, si b, si 4. A, si x, b, si 4. So a squared is, alam na natin na si a is si x. So lahat ng a palitan ng x, lahat ng b palitan ng 4. So a would become x squared minus 2ac x bc 4 plus b palitan mo ng 4 squared. So it will become x squared minus 2 times 4 or 2 times x times 4 is 2 times 4, 8, copy x, plus 4 squared is 4 times 4 which is equal to 16. So the answer is x minus 4 squared is equal to x squared minus 8x plus 16. Next, x squared plus 2y squared. So it's plus. So we're going to use in here. So a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So ac x, bc 2y. So in here, a squared is x squared plus 2, copy si 2, si a palitan natin ng x, si b palitan natin ng 2y, plus b palitan natin ng 2y squared. So x squared is x squared plus 2 times x times 2 times y is 2 times 2, 4, copy x, copy y, plus 2y squared is 2 times 2. 2 squared is 2 times 2, 4. Y squared is y squared. So distribute, diba? Log exponent. The exponent here is 1. Exponent is 1. 2 times 1 is 2 to the 2. Y to the 2. Y times 2. 2 to the 2 is 4. Y squared. So this is the answer. X plus 2y squared is equal to x squared plus 4xy plus 4y. Next. For number 3, it's sum and difference of two binomials. So the sum and difference of two binomials is very easy. A plus b times a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. So magkatulad lang yung first terms, x, tapos 4, 4. Ang magkaiba lang is dito minus, isa plus. So all you have to do is identify a at saka b. It's equal to a squared minus b squared. So, ito siya, a minus b, a plus b. So, the answer is a squared minus b squared. We know na si a si x. b si 4. So, ibig sabihin ng a, palitan mo ng x squared. Minus b, palitan mo ng 4, magiging 4 squared. So, x squared is x squared minus 4 squared is 4 times 4, which is equal to 16. So, x squared times x minus 4 times x plus 4 is equal to x squared minus 16. Next, for in here, x minus 2y, x plus 2y. So, magkatulad yung mga terms, magkaiba lang sila ng operation. So, this would become a minus b, a plus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. So, a squared minus b squared. So, ac, x squared minus bc, 2y. 2y squared is equal to x squared is x squared minus 2y squared is 2 times 2, 4. Y squared is y squared. So, the answer is x squared minus 4y. Next, cube of a binomial. Cube of a binomial, ibig sabihin, a binomial is multiplied to itself 3 times. So, x minus 4 times x minus 4 times x minus 4 is equal to x minus 4 cube. So, in here, anong process ang gagamitin natin? Anong form? Anong pattern? It's the second kasi minus. So, a minus b cube is equal to a cube minus 3a squared b plus 3a b squared minus b squared. Itong mga pattern ito, this will make it easier to multiply kasi kapag i-times mo yan siya tatlo, you go with 2, it is time consuming at saka mahirap. But if you're going to use pattern, it is easy. So, x, a si x, b si 4. Si b si 4. So, dito ang a, palitan natin ng x, ang b, palitan ng 4. So, this will become x cubed minus 3, copy ang 3. Ang lahat ng letters, palitan ito, x squared. Ang b, magiging 4. Very good. Plus, copy 3. Ang x, ang a, magiging x. Ang b, magiging 4 squared minus ang b, magiging 4 cube. So, x cube minus 3x squared. So, x squared times 4. So, 3x squared times 4. So, you can simply multiply that. X times x to the power of 2 is x squared times 4 plus 3 times x 4 squared. We'll start with the exponent. So, 4 squared is 4 times 4 is equal to 16 minus 4 cubed is 4 times 4 times 4. So, 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. So, this one, x cubed, 3 times x squared times 4 is 3 times 4, 12x squared plus 3 times 16, it's 48x. 3 times 16 is 48, copy x minus 64. So, this is the answer. x minus 4 times x minus 4 times x minus 4 is equal to x cubed minus 12x squared plus 48x minus 64. Next, for this one, it is minus, so we'll change this to plus so that we're going to use the first pattern. So, the first pattern, ang gagamitin natin kasi plus. So, a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. If you, to make it easier to understand or to memorize, ang a cube dito, 2 dito, dito 1, dito 0. Ang b naman dito, 3, 2, 1, 0 or 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 yung exponent. So, dito a is 3a. Ang a nagiging 3a. Ang b magiging 2. So, lahat ng a, palitan mo ng 3a. Ang lahat ng b, palitan mo ng 2. So, here, ang a, 3a cube plus ang 3, ang a, palitan mo ng 3a squared. Ang b, magiging 2 plus 3. Ang a, magiging 3a. Ang b, magiging 2 squared plus ang b, magiging 2 cube. Next, let's start with the exponents. 3a cubed is 3 times 3 times 3, which is equal to 27a cubed. Plus, copy yung 3, unahin natin yung may mga exponent. 3 squared is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. A squared, copy 2. Plus, copy mo ito siya. Copy mo rin ito. Solve this. 2 squared is 4. Plus, 2 cubed is 4. 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. So, 2 cubed is 8. Next, copy 27a cubed plus 3 times 9 times 2, it's, or we'll start with 3 times 2, 6. 6 times 9, 54, a squared, plus 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 4 is 36, a plus 8. So this is the answer. Kapag 3a plus 2, i-times mo sa sarili niya thrice. So 3a plus 2 times 3a plus 2 plus 3a times plus 2 is equal to 27a cubed plus 54a squared plus 36a plus 8. Next, the last one is a square of a trinomial. So a trinomial, kapag square mo, ano ba? a plus b plus c squared is equal to this one. So for this is the pattern. So we'll use a plus b plus c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus c squared. So plus 2ab partner plus 2ac plus 2bc. So that's how you memorize ABC, AB, AC, BC. So partner mo lang yan. Pwede yan siya magka-interchange. So next, what you're going to do, identify mo si A. Si A si 2x, B mo si y, C mo si negative 3z. Negative siya kasi dito plus, dito minus. So, dalhin mo yung negative. So, dalhin mo yung minus. So, it's negative. So, a squared is 2x squared. B would become y. Y squared plus ang c magiging negative 3z squared plus 2. Ang a magiging 2x. Ang b magiging y plus 2, ang a magiging 2x, ang c magiging negative 3z, plus ang 2, copy 2, ang b magiging y, ang c magiging negative 3z. So multiply, exponent mo na yung unahin natin. 2x squared is 4x squared. 2 times 2 at saka x squared, plus y squared is simply y squared, plus negative 3 squared is positive 9. Negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. Z squared. Plus 2 times 2x times y. 2 times 2, 4xy. Plus 2 times 2 times negative 3. 2 times 2, 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. X, mauna si x. Z. Plus 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Y, z. So this is the answer for 2x plus y minus 3z squared is equals to 4x squared plus y squared plus 9z squared plus 4xy plus negative 12xz plus negative 6yz. Thank you.